Welcome once again. Let's talk about Teuna Classic price by 2030 in the next 7 years to come. Now, according to Telegaon prediction, they actually predict that Teuna Classic will hit $5.23. That is high. The high price of Teuna Classic by 2030 is about $5.23, and the lowest expected Teuna Classic to trade then is $1.93, and average is $3.11. And this prediction, this high prediction that Teuna Classic maximum might be hitting towards $5.23 by 2030, and $1.93 that's the lowest expectation price by 2030, and also $3.11 as an average. Okay, for me, I think it's not going to be easy, but of course every Teuna Classic holder right now with this prediction will be smiling, will be happy. Of course, everybody will be hoping for this prediction to come to pass, because even though Binance hitting $1 already, a lot of people will become millionaires with Teuna Classic, not to talk of $5.23, and then the $1.93 and $3.11. For me, I don't see Teuna Classic hitting $5, $3 in 2030. For $1.93, yes. Though Teuna Classic can still reach that level, but it all depends if they can really destroy the supply they have. Yes, that's a possibility. But with the current supply Teuna Classic have right now, with the current circulating supply Teuna Classic have, I don't think Teuna Classic can hit $1.93 by 2030 in the next 7 years, because they need more than $8 trillion market cap. They need more than $8 trillion market cap. Now, the general cryptocurrency market cap, the highest they have currently reached is about 3.3 trillion. Okay, so imagine Teuna Classic hitting $8 trillion market cap, which we all know is not possible by 2030. Okay, so except Teuna Classic, the founders, the community comes together and plan how to burn out the supply they have. In that way, yes, Teuna Classic can reach that price by 2030. Please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision. Please kindly subscribe, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next videos.